welcome to the stage Mr. Rupesh Sinha. Hey guys, hello everyone. Thank you so much. Yeah, that was me welcoming myself because we are cool like that. Anyway, welcome to our first launch event. Yeah, this is a special day for all of us here at Beebom because today we are revolutionizing smartphones. Let me introduce to you the BPhone. Yeah, today we are announcing the BPhone. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you guys. Yeah, this is not just a phone, it's the BPhone. Yeah, this is a phone that will truly redefine the future of smartphones. Yes, we have been working on this phone for quite some time now, and here's George T. George, our product head, talking more about the design philosophy of the BPhone.
We have been working on this device for the last 19 months. We wanted this phone to look like a part of you. Bold, beautiful, and sharp. We have come out with a design so unique, so exquisite, so powerful that when you hold it in your hand, you'll realize what a smartphone should feel like. Not just another device, but an extension of yourself. Inspired by the gentle flow of water, we have engineered the display to seamlessly blend into the reinforced stainless steel frame. It's a work of art, just as much as it is a feat of brilliant engineering. Fold it, unfold it, it will always fit perfectly in your hand. This is the BPhone.
So this is the BPhone. Thank you guys, thank you so much. And it looks amazing. This is something we have worked really hard on and it's beautiful. This is something you have never seen before. It's the biggest leap forward when it comes to smartphones and yeah, it's beautiful. The BPhone folds from the outside and it works seamlessly. This is just the perfect foldable design. So with the BPhone, you'll be able to use two apps side by side, use the second screen as a keyboard, use the second screen as a gamepad. This is just amazing. Now, apart from the amazing foldable design, the BPhone has a stainless steel frame. But we did not just want to give you any shiny metal frame. We wanted to take the smartphone design to the next level with the BPhone. So what George did not tell you is that the BPhone is the world's first smartphone to be made of Vibranium. Yeah, I'm not kidding. Seriously. This is a phone made of Vibranium, the toughest metal in this universe. Not only that, we worked with the Wakandans to create the most flexible yet the toughest glass on this planet. We call it Panther Glass. The BPhone is the world's first smartphone to come with Panther Glass. I know, it's amazing and there's a lot more about the BPhone. And also, we decided not to be courageous with the BPhone. The BPhone has two headphone jacks. Yeah, this is the only flagship in the world with two headphone jacks. So the BPhone is a gorgeous, stunning device that you would love to flaunt. But there's much more to the BPhone. The BPhone packs in the most advanced hardware we have ever put on a phone. To talk more about the hardware and what's under the hood, let me welcome Mr. Akshay Gangwar.
Thank you, Rupesh. Thank you, guys. I love the BPhone. It's a stunning feat of engineering. And with the BPhone, we left no stone unturned to make sure you get the best performance and the most awesome experience out of your smartphone. And so we are using the 855 processor in the BPhone. But as good as the 855 is, it's still not good enough for the BPhone. And so we have overclocked the 855 to 3.0 GHz and paired it with 16 gigs of RAM and 1 terabyte of UFS 4.0 storage. So you'll never be left wanting for performance, whether you're gaming, streaming. Heck, we even ran a Bitcoin miner on it and it worked flawlessly. The BPhon is extremely powerful and you're going to love the performance on it. But performance is not everything in a smartphone. Cameras are an integral part of a smartphone, and with the BPhon we have created the perfect smartphone camera. The BPhon has an innovative camera system that really revolutionizes smartphone photography and videography. I mean, it's the first phone in the world to come with an f1.4 aperture primary camera, and that results in some beautiful shots. Take a look at these. Yeah, those are some amazing shots. It also has an ultra-wide camera with a never-before-seen 165-degree field of view, which results in some amazing shots and let you capture a lot more in your photos. With the BPhon, we wanted to create the most versatile smartphone camera system ever. And so we have a third periscope camera on the BPhon, which results in some amazing zoom capabilities that you have never seen on a smartphone. We call it the super duper zoom. Yeah, so with the super duper zoom feature, the BPhon has become the first smartphone that can capture an amazing 100x zoom on photos. Yeah, thank you. So take a look at this 10x zoom shot of the moon. And now take a look at the super duper zoom photo of the moon. Thanks to the super duper zoom on the BPhon, you can capture some incredible photos. So yeah, the cameras on the BPhon are extraordinary. You have never seen anything like this ever before. Now the BPhon has great design, incredible performance and the best cameras ever, period. But that's not all. With the BPhon, we are introducing a brand new OS. We call it the Black OS. Now Black OS is the best smartphone software experience you will ever have. It's based on stock Android with some really cool exclusive features, plus it has no ads. Thank you. Yeah, Black OS is ad-free, bloatware-free, and we don't send your data to China. Yeah, as the text says, it's awesome AF. So yeah, Black OS has been custom made by us to run perfectly on a foldable smartphone. But that's not all. Black OS runs on Android Queen of Puddings. Yeah, that's actually the name for Android Q, and the BPhon will be the first smartphone to ship with Android Queen of Pudding. And when it comes to updates, well, don't you worry about it. Thank you. Well, over to Rupesh now.
Thank you, Akshay. Thank you so much, guys. So, how do you like the BPhon? Well, it's amazing, right? So, the BPhon also has an amazingly huge battery. So, how much do you think the battery on the BPhon is? Is it 5000 mAh, 6000 mAh? Now 7000 mAh should be good enough, right? Well, no. The BPhon has a massive 10,000 mAh battery. Thank you so much, thank you. In fact, in our testing, we found the BPhon to last 7 days with ease. Thank you so much, thank you guys. And it charges incredibly fast too. The BPhon comes with our in-house supersonic fast charging. Yeah, the supersonic fast charging charges the BPhon at 120 watts. And it's super amazing. Well, the supersonic charger that comes with the BPhon charges the phone from 0 to 100% in just 10 minutes. Yes, just 10 minutes, guys. Thank you so much. It's an impressive feat of engineering and we love it, and I'm sure you're going to love it. So this is the BPhon, guys. This is our first foldable smartphone and the first foldable smartphone in India. It has a cutting-edge design. It has a gorgeous bezel-less display. It has some amazing performance, best cameras ever, and some amazing long-lasting batteries with incredible fast charging. The BPhon is amazing. The BPhon will change your perception of a smartphone forever. And you'll be able to check out the BPhon soon. Pre-orders for the BPhon go live after this event and we'll start shipping the BPhones in June this year. Plus, we have some amazing offers for you guys. Anybody who pre-orders a BPhone will get a free Beebom headphone that we announced last year. Thank you guys, thank you so much. Yes, the Beebom headphones are finally here, and anybody who registered for the Beebom headphones last year, we'll be shipping it to you first. Well, coming to the price of the BPhone. We at BPhon believe in genuine pricing. So the BPhone will arrive in the US at a price of $999. Now the Indian pricing. The BPhon is a phone made by Indians for India. So in India, the BPhon will be available at a mind-blowing price of rupees 54,999. Thanks guys, thank you so much. The BPhon allows us to deliver the future of the smartphone, and it's a future we want you to be part of. We hope you love the BPhon as much as we do. So thank you everyone for joining us today, and I would now request you to head over to the demo area to check out the brand new BPhon. And for people watching us online, you can now head to beephone.com and check out and pre-order the brand new BPhon. Well, that's pretty much it. See you. Thanks for watching.